Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this third eye chakra design. So we're going to create this using a compass, a pencil, a ruler, and an eraser, and some colored pens or pencils. So to start, draw a line down the center of your page and find the center point. Set your compass to approximately 3.5 centimeters and place your point in the center of the page. And draw a circle. Then place your compass point on the top point of the circle where it meets the line and draw another circle. From here we're going to draw the flower of life, or should I say the seed of life. So place your compass point there where the two circles intersect. Draw another circle. Place your compass point there. This is probably the easiest of the 7 chakra designs. And in the next class, I'm going to be learning the most difficult design. So yeah, it's going to be quite a difference between today's class and next week's class. I've been wanting to teach geometry classes for so long now, and I'm so glad I'm finally getting back into it, now that I've finally moved house and I have the space for it. Cool, so that's that. So next we're going to create our wee triangle in the center of the circle. So connect these top 2 points, but draw the line all the way through the design, not just through the center circle. And then connect that point to the bottom point. And do the same on this side. Next we're going to connect these 2 bottom points. And draw a long line. And then place your compass in the center of the circle. And open it out until it reaches the edge of the top circle. And then draw a big circle. Next we're going to connect these 2 points. All the way to the edge of the big circle. Now we're going to connect this point with that point there. Do the same on this side. Now place your compass point just there, where those 2 lines intersect, and reduce it until it reaches the center point. And then draw a wee circle. Do the same on that point. Now we just have to go over the lines that we want. So go over the triangle line. Doing it freehand, probably better off using a ruler. And going over that center circle. Eek. This definitely won't be a masterpiece, but it gives you an idea of how to draw it at least. And here we're just going to see that circle there. From that point we're just going to turn it into a wee point like so, so it looks like an onion. Do the same on this side. And then go over those lines. Over the circle, should I say? There we go, like so. And that's it. It's super simple. If you wanted to, you could draw around it, but that's the overall look we're going for. I'm going to go over my lines, try to pretty it up a bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this wee tutorial. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. We're going to be learning way more interesting designs than this in the future, so click the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye for now.